My hand no dey for the matter wey Shele for Convoy attack. Na Philip Shaibu na him talk this one. This ogbonge tori so na on top inside Edo, as Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu don talk say im hand no dey for the attack wey Shele put for Governor Godwin Obaseki, Oba of Lagos Ridwan Akiolu, and other ogbonge people convoy as dem go convocation ceremony for Edo University, Iyamho. If una remember, say National Chairman of Progressive Congress, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, he talk say Edo Deputy Governor mobilize 200 Okada and Agbero go the convocation wey Shele for Edo University for Iyamho to take detain am and im visitors. Oshiomhole talk say dem do this attack to fit tell people say e no get level for im area again. For talk wey Oshiomhole do give tori pipo for im house wey dey Abuja, e tok say make Governor Godwin Obaseki warn im deputy governor sake of say im deputy like wahala. E tok say after the convocation wey Shele for Edo University Iyamho, im bin invite chancellor and im pipo with Oba of Lagos and other ogbonge pipo. But as e see say some matter no dey clear well, im go im gate to see dem. Akos see say they don waka go as im bin try call Governor Obaseki for phone, but im ring e no pick am, and na chancellor and im wife im come call, and those ones understand. National Chairman for All Progressive Congress talk say im try solve the matter when e hear say state government bring Agbero come convocation. E talk say dem fit check with Inspector General of Police where im take get information say Deputy Governor for Edo State say make some people organize 1,000 people go university side, and the idea na to shame am. Make una sabi say all this talk matter for Comrades Adamali Oshiomhole no clear well, as e be say no katakata Shele for Iyamho, as the youth dem show support give Governor Godwin Obaseki, and Deputy Governor bin no dey Iyamho as im dey Benin on top official matter dem. Deputy Governor sef follow join for the attack as e be say im dey the same motto wey Governor Godwin Obaseki dey, wey Oba of Lagos Ridwan Akiolu dey, and other ogbonge pipo. The clear answer to this matter na say National Chairman body pain am well as e see say many people and youth dem dey hail Governor Godwin Obaseki, and this attack so na the plan work wey the National Chairman don do as e know say governor and other ogbonge people dey come for this convocation. Deputy Governor talk say im dey shame to hear say National Chairman talk say Okada people na Agbero, as e be say na dis pipo na im help am get im mandate when dem be steal am for im hand for 27-28, and im be sit down on top the Okada to take celebrate as im win dis mandate back. Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu come talk say im na man wey like peace and im no like any matter wey concern katakata or to dey scatter property dem. Im say im no go follow National Chairman talk as e be say na who dem respect well for the party, but im sabi say Naija pipo sabi who get Agbero as friend between im and the National Chairman. Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today, as Edo Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, as im yarn am say the attack wey Shele for Governor Godwin Obaseki convoy and Oba of Lagos with other ogbonge pipo for the country, im hand no dey there. Make una no come forget say dis ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im dey yarn and dey give una on top wetin dey Shele for inside Edo. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, and our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.